Hey guys, today we're gonna play a Go-Yo. I call it Go-Yo. You guys might call it a Go-Yo or a Go. I just like Go. Today we're gonna be Doggy. You guys might call it Doge. I'm not Canadian. God. It's harder than you expect, guys. No, get out. Did you see that dodge? Oh no, don't move. Man, I'm weak. Nobody goes for you when you're weak. Because you're weak. Like they don't really care even if they go into them. They won't get. Oh yes. Give me that. Yes. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Oh. Yay. Oh. No, guys. It's lagging a little bit. And my brother's there at the back. I can see his head. Oh, dealing first. 50 coins. Yes, and a DNA. Next question. Do you want to quit? No? Don't want to wait? A new quest for it takes 23 hours. Guys, should I do it? It's 90. No, it's a lot. Because I'm saving up, as you guys know. Because, look. I'll try. Wait for it. Wait. Please say we got something new. Don't be an ad. Please don't be an ad. Oh, don't be an ad. Well, that's not good. I see I have 450. I think I got enough. Let's go to shop. Skin is just skins that I wanted. It's so close. Actually, when you think about it, I don't know if I should get that one. When you think about it, guys, you guys can't actually see it, and so I'll come back in the time. I know it's time to play. I shouldn't be doing that in videos, but guys, I'm so bored. Change the channel. I'll probably see your views, but I don't. So let's see. No, you can't get me. Though you split. You could have split. Stop. No, sorry, man, I can't stop. Get me. Oh, that's the end. When you can see no circles, it's pretty obvious. I was really trying at the school. Oh my god, stop. Should I risk it? No, but I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it because he has another guy there. Depot. Okay, I think I might go for this guy. Oh. Okay, can I get this guys? Man, this love. I think I'm gonna say I'm on my chair. I'm actually standing right now, guys. So I don't know if you guys can see my face because my chair isn't that high. Actually, I'm gonna make a hat this way. Once I die. So that guy's big. I'm never gonna be the leaderboard. I never have, and I probably never will be. I've been like in 17th place before, but nothing to me. I might make a series of this, guys. I don't know. I'm really starting to make more series because I think it's cool, and I want to get these guys. No! Oh, guys! Did you see that? Wait, guys, did I? Post skip guide is it? Oh, it's on my webcam, and so guys, I gotta move you. Sorry, it's up here for now. And good. Open now. 19 cells. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, got a lot anyways. Okay, let's see. What we got? 10. Are you serious? Next. That's not bad. And ooh, that. I don't know what that guy is. But anyways, let's continue. I might change my name soon. Oh god. Money guy. Who are you? You meanie. Let me sit down again. Just make me relax. I know you guys can't see, but let's see. Ugh. So hard when you're small. You can barely get the dots. You know why? Are these guys actually going for me? Nope. There's not much dots here. Oh, it's not. Yeah, so guys, it's lagging. Oh, what is at the end? I did not notice that. That is there, like that way. I thought it was there. That way. Sorry guys, I think you guys will use this way. So. Oh no, you don't need to get me, you don't need to get me, you don't need to get me, you don't need to get me. Yeah, somewhere. Yes. Okay, but once I get into the specific spot, like, my score's down there. Once I get big enough that I think I'm gonna start getting people. I know like other people who do this obviously, you know, probably go charge in right away. You probably know that. God, I got this guy. Oh, so cool. If I was big enough. Oh no, I'm not getting that in. I'm sorry guys. You guys were probably so frustrated that I didn't get that because, well, those guys are there. Those three ones. I want to get this sweet sugar plum, sweet sugar plum. Oop, sorry. Not in my way today. Let me see stuff for a second. Okay. I've seen if there's following me. Oh, yes. Oh no, it's stand. Stand, guys. Stand. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here. No following. Hey. You're not on my way. Oh god. Oh shoot. Oh. Did you see that, guys? Did you just see that? Okay, guys. So I'm gonna start splitting up. Oh, that's what guy I wanted to get. He's not the one that was 400. It was the zombie. So now I'm thinking to change it to that. I forgot what it was. Okay. Face punch. Guys, I'm getting big. I mean, I'm bigger than I was. I don't want to split up just for like these guys. Like people like half of me, because that's like how I split into it. So pretty much if I split so I can get them. Guys, I saw small people here spawning in. I am not doing that today. Oh guys, this video's getting long. Once I'm gonna end the video. I'm sorry guys, that's only been my second death because I'm the best. Not the best, but oh man, get it, come on guys, come on. Okay, I think I can do it. And then you split. It's gonna split. Guys, I think I can split right now. Oh! Guys! I missed! Okay. Stay together. Stay together. I'm gonna combine. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm not gonna die. Just stay somewhere far away. There. It's gonna chillax you guys. 21! 21! Oh, no! No! Okay, there. Oh, yay! Somebody wanted to send me. For once. Oh, yes! Come in me! No! Yes! Guys, what did I do? No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Guys, did you see that? Well, guys, I think I'm ending the video. That was a weird death at the end. But I mean, look at this guy. Is he first? What's his name? Don't know his name. Let's see if it's here. Oh yeah, this first, alright. Anyways, you unlock. Ooh, yes, I unlocked this, guys. In my next video, I'm probably gonna use him. Anyway, let me just see him out. See how cool it is. This is spider. Hey guys, ad again. Oh no, it's an ad. It's an ad. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'll show you the new character I got. If it was my new character, I don't know if I actually got it, but anyway guys, I think it's time to say bye. So bye.